The next round of foldable phones from Samsung has been the focus of intense rumor churning. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 looks to be receiving an entirely new design with a wide cover display, but its sister is bigger and more costly. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has so far seemed to be much the same, and although the leaked renders that showed it folding flat were thrilling, there was a risk that they may not be genuine. Thanks to my clever pricing decision, we now have the first press render for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and sure enough, it folds flat. This picture fits very well with earlier CAD renders that were publicly shown in earlier leaks, highlighting several of its main modifications, notably the hinge. It has long been reported that we'd be receiving a new hinge that would do away with the irritating gaps seen on previous versions, and these renders appear to corroborate that. The phone in the render can fold entirely shut, a first for Samsung. Of course, we'll need to have the phone in our hands to really appreciate how it feels and looks. According to this picture, the inner display bezels will also be a little bit thinner than those on Google's future Pixel Fold. Other than this, the phone resembles the Galaxy Z Fold 4 it replaced quite closely. There aren't any major shocks in this since earlier speculations claimed this year will keep a similar style. Since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 permits the use of a specialty S Pen, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 press render finally depicts a S Pen. If you were expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 included a slot to store a S Pen, this render dispels your hope. We have more proof of the phone's specifications due to leaker Yogesh Brar since the bottom and top of the phone are plainly visible and there isn't a slot to be seen. According to reports, the phone has a 7.6-inch AMOLED foldable screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 6.2-inch exterior display has HD+ quality. It should come as no surprise that the phone will include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Additionally, a triple back camera system with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 4-megapixel selfie camera hidden behind the display, and a 10-megapixel camera on the exterior should be used. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.